Hello again, everyone. Today I want to discuss this tree here in our front yard. We planted this tree 35 years ago when we built our house. We actually dug it up out of the woods, and the tree looked very well, was healthy. As you can see, it grew pretty large. Here's a couple of the other trees that we planted at the same time, and they are larger. But a couple of years ago I noticed the leaves weren't as green on the tree, and it was starting to get sparse looking, and you can see through the tree. The leaves are so sparse. So last summer I was mowing the yard and I noticed a big piece of the bark at the lower part of the tree had fallen off. Here's a close-up of the bark, lower section of the bark that actually fell off last summer. Right in there, it's just, the bark is completely gone. I knew then that the tree probably wasn't going to get any better and was on its way to eventually dying. So what I plan on doing, I'm going to have to cut this tree. I'm going to do a series of videos on cutting the tree, disposing of the brush, everything that goes into getting rid of a tree. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks.